Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Thematic Apperception test or assessment. What is the Thematic Apperception test? A Thematic Apperception or TAT test is used to explore individuals' minds and understand their psychological thought patterns. The TAT consists of ambiguous pictures depicting various scenarios, characters, and situations. Healthcare professionals present these images to their patients and then encourage them to create stories based on what they see. These narratives serve as windows into the patient's unconscious, shedding light on their fears, desires, conflicts, and aspirations. TAT helps professionals to tap into the deeper layers of the human mind, where suppressed thoughts and feelings often reside. The test taps deeper into emotional and psychological states, which can also help with more effective treatment. As a result, it is commonly used by psychologists, therapists, and more. Here's how to use a thematic apperception test. The first step is to fill in the essential details at the top and then read the instruction and notes sections. The client will then need to carefully evaluate each picture, and it's important that they take their time. The final step is to then write a story for each one. To view a sample assessment of the Thematic Apperception test, visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron community platform. Simply type in the keywords to click on the note and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare and wellbeing related videos.